What I have here is a Stihl FS 131 trimmer, and it's got a cracked primer bulb, so I'm going to replace that in this video. And to get to this primer bulb, you need to remove this orange cover and this air filter cover. And to get the air filter cover off, you just remove these two Torx bolts. They're T27. In fact, all the bolts are T27. And then that just pops off. And to remove this orange cover, there's a bolt here that needs to come off. And a bolt here. And a bolt on the back side here. And then this just raises off. And there's your primer bulb. And to get this primer bulb off, there's just 4 Phillips screws here, but I want to clean that up a little bit. That was just brake cleaner. Where's my bit? And that just lifts off. And then this thing, the old primer bulb, just pushes out. And you can see where it's cracked there. And clean this up. Pop this out a little bit and seat the bulb in here first. Then put the metal cover on. That should do the trick. And you can see the gas coming in. And now just reverse everything and put this orange cover on. bolts back in. I'm about ready to pass out from that brake cleaner. I'll put the air filter cover back on. And let's see if we can start it.